Guys, how are you? This is a short video just to show you that I improved my 0 to 60 to 5.2 seconds on my stock 2018 Dodge Challenger TA 5.7 liters, and I'm very happy with it. I really do. I really am. I think the car is it's pretty awesome. I have been driving it for 1,600 miles already, and it moves. It moves really quick. It kicks off really fast. I have no complaints. I don't know if you remember the previous video I did with the frustration on my 0 to 60s and stuff, and actually I haven't changed anything. I just did the mid-muffler delete and I put the spacers, and basically that's all I did. So no major improvement in engine or, you know, PCMs or Diablo, whatever. I just, you know, I just tried to improve in my technique at the time of, you know, the acceleration for the first gear, to make the car stop spinning the tires, the back tires. So basically I think that technique is a must. It's a must when you are trying to get really good 0 to 60 times. And that's it, guys. This was just a short video to show you my 5.2 best time in 0 to 60. I'm really happy with it. I'm looking forward to do more videos. I haven't had much time these days, but I'm working on it. So enjoy your day. Subscribe, please. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.